Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show you how to change gridline color in Microsoft Excel. Let's have a look how to do this. If you are not happy with the default color of cell grid lines, then you can simply change it with few clicks, and here's how to do this. Open the Excel file, then go to File tab, then click on the Options button. The Excel options will open. Click the Advanced button from the left menu. Scroll down and go to Display options for the worksheet. Select the color from the gridline color you want to apply. Hit the OK button. That's it. You can see the gridline color turned into red. That is how you can change gridline color in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.